find the rank of maths. So you have to find out rank of maths. Okay, so for that what you will do, first you find out in this one how many letters are there. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 letters. Okay, and all the letters are distinct. Okay, so first you find out using these 5 letters how many total words we can form. Okay, so you have to use all the 5 letters. Okay, so we can form 5 factorial words. Okay, that is 120. Okay, now here you have to find out rank of maths. Okay, so for finding rank, what is the meaning of rank? Okay, using these 5 letters, if you form a dictionary, you know how to form a dictionary? It should be alphabetical order. Okay, so using these 5 letters, if you form a dictionary, then find out position of maths. Okay, position of maths you have to find out. Okay, so total word is what? 120. Okay, so if these 120 words, if you arrange in a dictionary, then find out what is the position of maths. That is your rank. Okay, so for finding rank of maths, what you will do? Okay, so MATHS. Okay, so we have to find out rank of maths. Okay, I'm telling shortcut method for finding rank. So what you will do? See, in alphabetical, A will come out first. After A, H will come. So H is what? Second position. Okay, after H, M will come. That is third position. Okay, after M, S will come. That is fourth position. And after S, T will come. So T is what? Fifth position. Okay, and here all letters are distinct. Okay, so I'm taking lines here. Okay, now M is what? Third position. Okay, so above third, how many letters are there in right hand side? How many letters are there above M? Above 3. So 1, 2. So there are 2 letters which is above 3. So what will come? 2. Okay, above A is what? First position. Okay, so above 1, how many letters are there in right hand side? Okay, so that is 0. Above A is what? 0 letters. Next is what? T. So position of T is what? Fifth. Okay, so above 5 in right hand side, how many letters are there? Okay, then H and S both are above T. So what will come? 2. Similarly, H. Okay, H is what? Second position. So above H in right hand side, how many letters are there? That is 0. Correct? H is what? Below 2. Correct? So S will not come. Okay, similarly S. So for S, 0 will come. Okay, now from this side, from this place you will take 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Okay, so for finding rank, what you will do? 2 into 4 factorial plus this one multiplied with this one. So 0 into 3 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial. Okay, so this will give total words which is above maths. Okay, now you have to find out rank of maths. So what you will do, in this one we have to add plus 1 extra. So that is your rank. So for finding rank, in this one you have to add plus 1. So that is your rank.